Hi everyone, today's haul is from Trader Joe's, and due to the egg prices, Trader Joe's has the cheapest eggs in my area. These are cage-free brown eggs for $3.49 a dozen, limit of one per customer per day, so that's what I got. And then I got some celery. My daughter wanted some of my sweet chocolate chips for $3.99, and then we're out of mustard, and my husband asked for mustard, so this was $1.79. My total was $11.76 for this little haul, which I'm super happy because that's a great price on eggs. So she's trying a new recipe of cookies, right? Chocolate chip cookies. So she's gonna get that going, and I'm sure they're gonna be delicious. Okay, you guys, so I went to Kroger, which is my local Fred Meyer, and did a markdown haul. The only thing that you are not going to see marked down here are the strawberries, but they were on sale for $1.99 this week. So I grabbed 4. I do have I did place an order online, which is coming this week. So the only thing I didn't want to get online were the strawberries because I just wanted to see if they're any good or not. And they are. They look delicious. So my total today was $79.09. And I went in for these salads because apparently I have multiple people in my family, which is great. They've been eating these, and I'm super happy that I found a bunch this time. Mushrooms for $1.03. I grabbed a bunch, and guess what? There was still plenty left when I left the store. There was a lot. They marked down the mushrooms. Sometimes they have these marked down like at $3.34, which is not a great deal at all, so I don't get them then. But at $1.03, I will get them and use them up. The strawberries, like I said, they were $1.99, limit of 5. I just grabbed 4. Look how beautiful they look. And then I found some fish for 90 cents, 2 pieces of fish, 2 or 3. And my son loves fish and shrimp and stuff, so he's going to just cook that up. And then I found some chicken livers, which I love. Me and my husband love it, so we got that. I got it. I'm just going to wash it, clean it up, wash it, and saute it with some garlic and onions, and so good. I found this pad thai stir fry kit for $3.06, and this comes with the sauce, so that's going to be delicious for a side. I found these roasted garlic, basil, and Romano meatballs for $3.19. There was 3. I grabbed them. I might not freeze them. I might just put them in the air fryer and then put them in a Tupperware, and then people can just kind of snack because everyone needs more protein. Everyone's kind of doing more protein, so that's going to be great. The fried chicken I found marked down, and I actually freeze them just like this. My husband loves these, to just throw them in the air fryer and just take them to work with the side of veggies or ranch, and that's like his lunch. So my kids like them. They're a quick meal. They just grab them, put them in the air fryer, and do the same thing. And so I love having these in the freezer, not that they've been marking them down. Then I found these boneless chicken bites, which are great. Again, these are easy, air fryer ready. You just throw them in there. My kids will eat them as a snack or a meal with something. So I got 1.25 pounds, so 20 ounces for $4.05. There was 6 bags. I grabbed all 6. Now, I've never gotten an ice cream cake on clearance, but look how cute this is. This was marked down, and I just thought this is going to be such a fun treat for the kiddos. So I'm going to pop this in the freezer as soon as possible, and then they can enjoy it today. Now, I do have, so if I leave my house, if I go left, I have a Trader Joe's by my local Ross. If I go right, I have a Trader Joe's literally across the street from Fred Meyer from Kroger. So they're about 5 minutes each away from my house, which is great. I know some people don't have one nearby. So because I was there, they still had their eggs. You saw me get these yesterday. I got them again, a dozen per day per customer is what they said. $3.49. Look how beautiful they are. So I was chatting with the checkout person at Kroger, and they said eggs will be going up another 20% coming soon. So I'm not sure when, but just keep that in mind. If you can stock up, if you have a Trader Joe's in my area, this is the cheapest. A dozen for $3.49 for beautiful cage-free brown eggs. I could care less if they were cage-free, organic or not at this point. So Even if they weren't, I would still grab them at that price. And I usually don't care if they're organic or not anyways, even before they were expensive. But this is what I got. I'll show you my Safeway delivery and then my Kroger. And then if I go in again, I'll show you. I probably will go in tomorrow because I actually need to return something at Ross and probably get some more eggs from Trader Joe's. Again, just respecting the limit, and they had them packed to the rim. There was so many of them, but respecting the limit, 1 per day per customer. So that's what I'm keeping it at, and that's more than enough for us right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little clearance haul. I was super happy with what I got, and I'll see you when I get my Safeway delivered. Okay, you guys, my Safeway haul just got delivered. I spent a total of $79.93. The only issue I have is I bought 4 of these individual 1 pound beef things and I only got 3. So I'm gonna need to get a refund for that, which they were $2.99 each. So I was able to get 4 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is, they come in 3 packs, and then limit of 4 of the individual, but they brought me 3, and these were all $2.99 each pound. And then I got some fries, and then the turkey was $2.99 a pound, limit of 4, and I got 4. And then the raspberry, blueberry, and strawberries were $1.99 each. The ragu pasta sauce was $1.49. I just grabbed 2 more. Not my favorite, but that's okay. Some bananas and some oranges, and these were 99 cents a pound. So, oh, and the cheese. The cheese was limit of 4, but I have so much shredded cheese that I don't need any. And then I just needed like some sliced cheese if people want to do sandwiches, and 1 is more than enough for a while. And I think that was like $1.49. So this is what I got for just under $80. Lots of meat, stocking back up when it's on sale. And I like that this is 80-20. It's not like 73, because I know Kroger has it on sale but it's like the 73% fat, and I don't like that because it just, yeah, I like this better. So this is what I got. If I get anything else this week, I will let you know. I have a little Dollar Tree haul. I went in there mostly for my son's mouthwash, for Noah, for the little one, and I grabbed a few other things. With tax, I paid, focus, $12.23. And there we go. So I got these for the oven. I have like the little ones that I got from Ross for like half the size, but they're really tight. And my husband's like, oh, those are so uncomfortable. And my older kids wanted something bigger. So I just found these. It says Happy Spring. They're beautiful. And for people who have bigger hands, they can use those. I grabbed a few art things for the kiddos, just some fun stuff to do, just to keep them busy, keep their hands busy. And also this cross stitch. This I actually got for myself. I really want to learn how to crochet and stuff, and I don't know how, but that just sounds like a good activity instead of just watching TV or binge watching YouTube, just to do something else. I've really gotten into reading and painting and stuff like that, and so I would love to learn how to crochet or, stitch or all that stuff. It just sounds fun. So that's what I'm starting out with. I figure it's not a big investment, $1.25. If I can't do it, then oh well. This is the mouthwash Noah, my little one, likes to use. He ran out and he used Listerine before going to school today, and he's like, oh my gosh, it's so strong. Way too powerful for him. So I ran into Dollar Tree and got that for him. I used to have 2 Dollar Trees by my house. One shut down, which is crazy because it was like on the main road. And now I have one by my house that's about 3 to 5 minutes away. And then I have one that's about 15 minutes away, but I don't ever go to that one because it's too far away. And then I got this cute little basket. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it in the RV to just hold like candy and stuff or snacks, or if I'm going to use it in the house. But this is just so pretty. The color is so beautiful. Very spring, very, I don't know, it's just gorgeous. And I have one of these that I have in the RV, and I really love it. Like, we buy little Snickers and like Reese's and all that kind of stuff, like the little fun size ones. And I throw them in there because whenever we go with the RV, we seem to always need something sweet. So, yeah, I just got another one, and we'll see what we use it for, but it will get used. So this is what I paid, just under $13 after tax. And let me show you my Kroger delivery haul. It's a big one, and super excited that my shopper found everything. Okay, so here is my Kroger haul. I spent $86.15 on all of this, but I will be asking for my money back for these. So first of all, I got tomatoes that were supposed to be, I think, $2.49, not organic. And I put no substitution on anything, especially at Kroger, because if they substitute, it's going to be a lot more expensive. These were close to $4, and they're like squishy and disgusting. So absolutely not. I want my money back on those. So we can subtract the $4 out of the total. It just irritates me because I specifically said no substitution. So I don't even know with Instacart how they can get around that, because I said no. And then I even got a message saying, oh, you want a refund for the tomatoes? And I put a Y as in yes, I want a refund. And I still got charged. Anyway, so I got these like cereal bars or whatever they are, just different fruit. My kids already got into the blueberry one. If you have a Boost membership, they had some deals this week. This was one of them. They were 99 cents. You could get 5 boxes. I just got 3 because I feel like that's plenty for us. Not everybody likes them. So this is going to be more than enough for the kids that do. Toothpaste was 99 cents. We go through this like it's water. Like we just can't keep toothpaste in the house. So I always buy it when it's 99 cents because, as you know, it's cheaper than going to the Dollar Tree now. So great price on that. Avocados, I think these were like $2.49 or something like that. I got more mustard. This was $1.65 or $1.63. And then this was $1.99. I've never tried it, but I want to try it. Try something new. See if my kids like it. This was a Boost deal, $2.49. Not the best price, but good enough. This was $1.99 as well. These were $1.49, limit of 5. Different things you could mix and match. I just got 2. That should be enough. The tomatoes we already talked about. So disappointing. Folgers was, I believe, $7.99, which is $8, which is still cheaper than getting it at full price. I got 2 regular and then 3 halves, limit of 5. I got 5. These, what I do is I like to put 2 scoops, so like 2 tablespoons of the half and then 1 of the regular. So our coffee is not very strong. My husband likes it that way. My son likes it that way. We have a lot of K-cups. We just can't stomach them right now. I don't know. We just are into that combination. And so I just grabbed more. These beautiful, oh my gosh. What are these called? No joke, I just lost my train of thought. Kiwi. These were, I think, $2.99. Oh my Lord, it's one of those mornings, I guess. These chicken sausages were, I believe, $2.99 or $2.49 each. This was, again, a Boost deal. So are the cereals. The cereals were, you could get different ones, just the Kroger brands for 99 cents a box, limit of 5. So I grabbed 5, and these are like big boxes. This is 18 ounces. My kids like cornflakes, so I grabbed that. And then I got something like this, kind of like a dupe Lucky Charms. So that's my haul from Kroger. I don't believe we're going to be going anywhere else this week. So we shall see. But if we are, you know the drill. I'll show you guys. I love these for like soups and stuff. My son's like, oh, you can leave one out. I just want to cook it up with some veggies. So we might do that as well. And that's just a lot of protein and chicken. I'll take chicken over beef or pork any day. It's just, it's usually more expensive. So that's why I don't buy it so often. But anyway, this is what I got. I'll see you soon whenever I grab something. Okay, so last haul of the week is from Kroger, and I spent $37.84. And then I did get the Trader Joe's eggs for $3.49. So there's that. So those are the only things that wasn't in this haul. So I got some fried wings. The kids already got into this one. One was marked down to just under $6, and one was just over $6. And then these Cara oranges. And then I got these limes on clearance for $1, and then some greens. I've never gotten this, but I thought it would be fun for the kids to make. And we're gonna do tacos tonight. We'll use this up. And yeah, I don't know how much the original price was, but it's 3 pounds of meat for $11.54. That's already seasoned and looks delicious, and it's not even frozen, so perfect. And then I found some reduced little breakfast sausages. So that is it. That's gonna conclude my haul for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Let me know if you guys are shopping the deals, if you find any markdowns, if you even shop the markdowns. I know some people don't like to get stuff that's marked down. I have no issue with it. This is how I feed my family of 6 on a budget, and super excited about being able to save money, especially in this economy. So if you need eggs in my local area, $3.49 for these big, beautiful brown eggs is a great price. I feel like that's great. Limit 1 per day per customer, which is fine. I'm not sure if I'm going to go in next week and get more. We have a couple boxes now, so we're good. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.